we said first, Jesus, where was Jesus taken after arrested? When he was arrested, where was he taken first? After the arrest, raise up your hand. Where was he taken after he was arrested? Yes? Yes, to the high priest's house. Yes? Yes, then the council that was called the Sanhedrin was brought forth. Then from there he was taken to the what? To who? Raise up your hand. Yes? Yes, he was taken to Pilate. Then from Pilate he was taken to Herod. Yes, then he was also taken to who again? Yes? Taken to who? Pilate. Then he was taken to Herod. Then he was taken again to who? To Pilate. Then before I left, we said that when he was taken the second time to Pilate, Pilate said that he was not what? Guilty. He did not find any fault with Jesus. But the people said what? What did they say? Kill him. They said kill him. We're going to read again. They said kill him and release who? Barabbas. And Barabbas was a murderer. But the people wanted him to be released. So Barabbas was released, and then they were handed over. Jesus was handed over to the people so that he can be crucified. That is Luke chapter 22 from verse 26 to 43. But we're going to start from verse 13 so that we can repeat what Herod said the second time.